In this question, it is given that the locus of midpoints of chords of the circle this which subtend an angle theta I at the center of the circle C1 is a circle of radius Ri. If theta 1 is pi by 3, theta 2 is 2 pi by 3 and R1 square is equal to R2 square plus R3 square, then theta 2 is equal to, you have to find the correct choice. In this case, first let me draw the figure, then I will explain you the meaning of question. In this case, the center is 4, 5 and radius is 2. Center is 4, 5 and radius is 2, that is, this is a circle. And those chords for which the angle subtended at the center is pi by 3, for those chords, locus of midpoint will be clearly a circle, because as the chord go on moving and angle remains constant, means length of chord remains constant, then the midpoint will also vary, and it is clear that locus of this point will be also a circle with radius this much. And similarly, in case of second chord which is making an angle of theta 2 at the center, in this case also the locus of midpoint will be a circle with same center 4, 5 and radius of that circle will be this length, that is, this length will be R2. Similarly, R3 is defined. Let us first find the value of R1. If this is a chord for which the angle subtended at the center is pi by 3, in that case locus of midpoint will be a circle of radius this much. I know that the radius of this circle is 2, and because this whole angle is pi by 3, this angle will be pi by 6. Therefore, I can say R1 will be equal to 2 cos pi by 6, that is be root 3. Similarly, in the case of theta 2, again the locus of midpoint of the chord will be a circle, and radius of that circle will be R2 equal to 2 cos theta 2 by 2. And similarly, in the case of third circle, R3 will be equal to 2 cos half of 2 pi by 3, that is pi by 3. Hence, we have got the value of R1, R2, R3, and putting the value of R1, R2, R3 from here in this equation, I will get an equation in theta 2 and I will get the value of theta 2 from there. Because R1 square means 3 equal to R2 square means 4 cos square theta by 2 by 2, and R3 means 2 into 1 by 2, that is 1, therefore 1 square. Hence I get cos square theta 2 by 2 is equal to 3 minus 1 by 4, that is cos square theta 2 by 2 is equal to 1 by root 2 whole square, that is theta 2 by 2 is equal to 45 degree, that is theta 2 is equal to 90 degree. Hence I can say fourth choice is the correct choice.